Good morning here from cold Texas, guys. How are you doing? I'm outside, rainy, cold, wet, guys. On the table. So you might be wondering why I'm outside. So I'm actually outside, about to go cut some callaloo that I have around the back here. It's the last of the callaloo that I was saving to possibly stuff a fish or something, but I can't seem to get the fish big enough, guys, that I wanted. And temperature is changing, so might as well cut them and just make breakfast with them this morning. Um, if the weather stays like we are having right now, by the time I'm ready, or by the time I find that fish, I'll have callaloo again. And here they are. Yes, guys, nice and green. So I'm just gonna put up my camera stand here so you guys can see as I cut them. Mm-hmm. Rain falling off the roof there. Yeah, man. Wanted to make a video outside, but that one will not be possible today based on this weather that we're having. If it was just cold, guys, I would definitely be making the video. However, we're having, I'm not sure if you can hear the wind behind me or around me. We're having strong winds and it's raining. Alright, camera set up right there. And look, guys, so I'll take it probably from right here. Nice, lush green. And let it down so you guys can see what's going on here. Remember, back in the days, as a young chap in Jamaica, on a Sunday morning like this, we would be looking for the callaloo man passing by the yard, shouting callaloo. We try to get some callaloo fresh, because he would be coming straight from his farm. Fresh bunches of callaloo, guys. So cutting callaloo right now in my backyard reminds me of that. And look at this, guys. So this is the bunch that I just cut. Nice. Pick out this little seed part here. Let's throw it back over there in the garden. Nice. I'm gonna go back inside and prep up some breakfast with this. The temperature changed drastically on us, guys. Real cold weather we are having right now. So this is the nice bunch of callaloo, guys. Nice, green, luscious bunch of callaloo. So I'm going to be prepping this one for breakfast this morning. On the inside, wanted to do a video outside where I was going to use these to stuff a nice fish or a couple fishes, couldn't get the size fish that I wanted, guys, and they've been out here for the longest time just waiting and waiting for me to find that fish. Can't find it, so decided to just go ahead this morning, steam some kalaloo, and I'm gonna be doing it different this morning. However, I won't be making a video on the inside, guys. I'm just gonna be cooking this kalaloo this morning, Ital style, right? No saltfish, nothing like that. Just kalaloo and veggies, right? I'm over the other side now and just cooking out some more of these ones. Nice, fresh. That's enough. I need no more than this, guys. That's enough. Don't need any more than this. There it is, guys. This is the weather that we're having here in good old Texas. The camera is slow for you. Bleaky, very bleaky weather here, guys. Cold. Right now it is like high 40s. I know, guys, high 40s, and it's supposed to go back down in the 30s by say 1700, which is 5 o'clock. It's gonna drop back down to the 30s, guys. Look at all this kalaloo seed. I'm gonna pick them and just bag them up. Probably give some to friends around here. Look at this, guys. Look what the kalaloo doing to the lawn. That's all the seeds that blew from the kalaloo patch here. So them just blow out, and this is what they're doing to the yard right here. So yeah, if you plant kalaloo, you have to be careful, guys. You know, the wind blow this way a lot, and look at all this. All this is kalaloo, you know, guys. All of this straight kalaloo. Yeah, so I'm going to be cutting those, you know, when the weather get back warm after they dry out. Just cut them and bag them up and give something to some neighbors and friends around here, Jamaican people who know it. And if anybody would like some, you know, reach out to me. Reach out to me, man, if you would like some. If you're here in the States and you would like some kalaloo seed, reach out, man, and I'll do my best to get it to you. You know, lots of kalaloo seed. Look there, guys. Yeah, so out here, man, nice. Well, not so nice, but you know, we dedicated to cooking this kalaloo this morning for breakfast, and Ital style, no saltfish whatsoever. Ital style kalaloo. You know, some carrots, some bell peppers. You know, not too much powder seasoning either. Get it nice and ready. Ital style, guys. You know, sometimes it have to be like that. You know, sometimes it has to be like that, where we just ital up some things. And this is what's best to go ital with than some fresh kalaloo straight from your backyard. You know, wash them off with some salt water. You know, pick off all the little leaves that look like this. I'm gonna pick those off, wash them off with some nice salt water, and that's gonna be it. But I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna end the video in there, because trust me, it's not nice at all outside. But needless to say, if it was just gonna be cold, I would still be outside, guys. definitely still be outside making this video. So I'm not afraid of little cold. Mad. Yeah, needless to say, I would still be outside making this video. And here we have this nice callaloo again. Pretty, guys. Quite nice. Look at that. Straight from the farm. Yep. Well, guys, thank you for watching and tuning in. And I'm going to make some callaloo for breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
You're just in time to say bye-bye. Bye, live.